Check this out.
Hi everyone, I'm Jorelyn, the team leader of our Arduino project, and I'm excited to introduce the team that made this possible. First, we have Christian, our programmer. He focused on writing the Arduino code to make sure all the parts and functions work properly. Next is Rizel, our analyst, who helped us understand what the project needed and guided us with the right planning and data. Then there's is Yesha and me were the designers of the group. We worked together to build the actual setup, connecting the components, arranging the parts, and making sure everything was working as planned.
Arduino project number 8, detecting vibration. This project detects movement or vibration using a vibration sensor. When vibration is detected, Arduino can turn on lights, sound an alarm, or record data. It demonstrates how to sense physical motion in real time.
So, let's discuss and enumerate the list of materials to be used in our Arduino project number 8. First is the Arduino board, the brain of the project that processes the vibration signal. Prototyping shield, make it easy to connect the components without soldering. Male-to-male jumper wires, wires to connect all parts together. Resistor, protects the LED from the too much electricity. 5 LED, lights up when vibration is detected. And the last one, tilt switch sensor, detects movement or vibration in the project. And that's all we need in our project number 8, so let's get to the exciting part.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today we're going to build a simple Arduino detecting vibration step by step. On the left side, you'll see all the materials we need. Arduino board, breadboard, jumper wires, 220 resistor, 5 LED, switch sensor. And on the right side, we have our Arduino kit. Now, let's start assembling. Place the Arduino board securely on top of the kit. Do the same with the breadboard, then set aside the 5 LED, switch sensor, and 220 resistor for later. Take the 5 LED and attach it to the breadboard. Get the first jumper wire and connect it from the breadboard to the Arduino. Insert the 220 resistor in series with the LED and attach another jumper wire to complete the circuit. Next, place the switch sensor onto the breadboard. Add another resistor beside the switch sensor and then connect it to the Arduino with a jumper wire. Finally, use the remaining jumper wires to finish all the necessary connection between the Arduino LED and sensor. And that's it for the hardware setup. Now, our Arduino vibration detector is ready for coding! Yay!
This is the code for AP number 8. Int LED pin equals to 13. LED pin stores the pin number where the LED is connected to pin 13. Sensor pin stores the pin number where the vibration sensor is connected to pin 3. For the setup function, runs once when the Arduino start. Pin mode, LED pin output, tells Arduino that pin 13 will send out signals. For the pin mode sensor pin input, tells Arduino that pin 3 will read input signals from the vibration sensor. For the loop function, void loop int sensor value equals digital read and sensor pin digital read sensor pin reads the state of the vibration sensor, high or low. Vibration detected for the if condition. If vibration is detected to high, the LED will turns on. Each each stays on for 0.5 seconds. For the no vibration, it will LED pin will low. The LED turns off. The program uses a vibration sensor to detect movement or shaking. When vibration is detected, the LED light up for half a second. When there's no vibration, the LED stays off.
At the starting